Once again, good afternoon, class.
Good
The
afternoon,
topic
sir.
for this afternoon is about general classification of prisoners. Okay, so if we have criminological classification of criminals, we have legal classification of crimes, we have also general classification of prisoners. So we are talking about the prisoners. So prisoners are classified into three. In this particular topic, you will be able to understand and determine the classification of prisoners. Okay. Before that, I'd like to ask you: is safekeeping a mentally deranged individual be considered as prisoner? Yung mga yung mga may sakit yung utak, may karamdaman sa utak, like yung mga insane person, individual, mental retarded, kung sila ba ay kinulong just to protect the society from uh, its effect, no? Kasi may sira na yung kung may sira na yung utak, hindi na matino yung utak, ang mangyayari, dangerous siya. He or she is threat to the other people. Now, considered ba siya na prisoner pag siya ay i-confine natin, protect the society at the same time for his or her treatment? Okay, so later on, you will understand, you will know whether or not it is considered as prisoner. Okay? Again, we have three general classification of prisoners. The first one is we have the detention prisoners. Okay? These are the detained individual for investigation, preliminary hearing, or awaiting trial, or a detainee in a lock-up jail. They are considered under the jurisdiction of courts. So it is very clear that the detention prisoners are those individual who was arrested and detained in the police station, who are under investigation. So, for example, there is a crime happened in a particular place. Okay? Then the police arrested the suspect and detained. Pag sinabing detained, kinulong doon sa police precinct or sa presinto sa tinatawag nating lock-up jail. Ang tawag dyan, lock-up jail. Temporarily detained in the police station, okay, and waiting for investigation whether or not if the suspect is really the one committing the crime. Okay, for investigation, ang tawag natin sa kanya is detention prisoner. Yan, detention prisoner. We have preliminary hearing. Diba? We have preliminary investigation. Diba? Wala pa sa korte. The case has not yet in court. Preliminary investigation. Nasa prosecution pa lang. Sa investigation, nasa police station, the law enforcement stage. Just remember the criminal justice system. Then after that, if for example, the police unit provides evidence that the suspect is really the one committing the crime, then there will be a filing of criminal charges in the prosecution, and the prosecution now will conduct preliminary investigation. Okay? So, yung tao dito, yung suspended dito ay nakakulong pa, waiting for the bill, to post bill. Kung how much is the recommendation of the prosecution with regards to the bill. And now, or or awaiting trial. So let's say, for example, the respondent was uh, proven probably the one committing the crime, and the prosecutor will file case information in court. Then the case is now ready in court. Ipagpalagay natin that the accused cannot afford the bill, ay wala siyang pera. So ang mangyayari dyan, he will be in prison or confined in jail, awaiting trial. Awaiting trial. So therefore, wala pang conviction dito, naghihintay pa siya trial or ongoing yung trial. So ang tawag sa kanya, detention prisoner. Again, the accused here or respondent be familiar with terminologies, because in law enforcement, ang tawag natin dyan is suspect or person of interest. In prosecution naman, we call him or her as respondent, and kung nasa korte na yung kaso, accused na yung tawag. Okay? So pag hindi pa siya sentensyado, ang tawag natin sa kanya is detention prisoner. Okay? I hope maliwanag. Then the second one is sentence prisoners. Pag sinabi mo sentence, maliwanag na yan ay sentensyado. It was the accused was proven guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Offenders who are committed to jail or prison in order to serve their sentence after final conviction by a competent court. They are prisoners under the jurisdiction of penal institution. Now, the offender here is serving his or her sentence. Whether or not yung penal institution dito ay hindi naman necessary doon sa kulungan. Pwede namang nag-convict sentence prisoner but serve his or her sentence in the community. Hindi nakakulong. Pwede nakakulong, pwede hindi nakakulong. Depende sa situation. Okay? Sentence prisoner, sentensyado na. Okay? The last one is safekeeping prisoner. So persons who are on safekeeping includes non-criminal offenders. Hindi kailangan na criminal yung i-confine natin. Kahit hindi yung mga criminal, we can detain in order. Ano ang purpose niya? Bakit i-detain? To protect the community against their harmful behavior. Example is mentally deranged individual, insane person. Okay, in that case, we can confine, or the society will confine that person, that kind of person, because it threatens the safety and security of the community. Okay, that is safekeeping. So we can safekeeping prisoners. Okay, again, we have detention prisoner. Investigation, nasa police pa lang, or preliminary investigation, doon na sa prosecution, or awaiting trial. Hindi nakapiyansa, or let's say the crime is not bailable, like heinous crime, murder, rape, etc. They are not, you cannot post bail with those crimes. But except, of course, if the evidence is not strong. So, but if evidence is strong, then heinous crimes you cannot post bail. Okay, so in that case, you will be detained. Meaning, makukulong ka doon sa penal institution. Okay, to waiting trial, or the trial is ongoing. Okay, or awaiting judgment. Detention prisoner, hindi pa sentensyado. Then the second one is sentence prisoner, meaning the offender is now already serving his sentence. Okay. Then we have safekeeping prisoner, prisoner who was confined. Uh, it is not necessary na criminal. It can be criminal or a non-criminal offender or non-criminal, as long as that person may harm the community, may harm other people. So because of that, we confine that person just to protect the community. And of course, to diagnose that person. Okay? Okay, so that's end in this particular discussion.